Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Professor Ashkar Bhatti, your English teacher. Dear students, to make an introduction, I give you motivation. You are greater than you think you are. My dear students, in our today's lecture, we are going to discuss letter writing. Letter writing is an art. It belongs to composition skills. And now we are going to discuss how to write a letter and two prescribed letters from our syllabus. So to do it, we are moving towards whiteboard. Dear student, topic is mentioned on whiteboard, letter writing. Letter writing, as I have already told, is a skill, is an art. So keep in your mind the pattern and content have different marks. Pattern carries 4 marks and content carries 6 marks. And overall, the question in Board of Intermediate is set of 10 marks. So we must know what is the exact pattern and how to produce the main content of the letter. So my dear students, you must start your letter by mentioning the place and the date. This is the first part of your letter. But in examination, we don't write the place. We just mention examination hall. Examination hall. Examination hall. Examination का E और hall का H must be capitalized और आखिर पे यहाँ comma होना चाहिए. Punctuation marks are very necessary because it is the need of your pattern. The city name is never mentioned. It is only supposed name of your city, abbreviated and supposed name ABC. City ABC. ABC ये जो supposed name of the city है, इसे आप dots या full stops के साथ लिखेंगे. A के बाद full stop, B के बाद full stop और C के बाद फिर full stop या dot है. और city का name जो है वो देखिए कि मैंने bracket में लिखा हुआ. So this is the name of your city that is supposed and abbreviated. Later on, date is mentioned. Date can also be supposed. May 15, 2020. Dear students, there must be a comma to separate date and session. There must be a comma. May 15, 2020. At the end of the date, there must be a dot or full stop. So after date and place, there must be addressee name. आप किसको ये लेटर लिख रहे हैं? Addressee. Body, addressee के बाद कॉमा और फिर body main content. Body जो है वो कोशिश की जाए कि 3 पैराग्राफ्स पर कंसिस्ट हो. पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 में सैल्यूटेशन, पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 में ही आपकी जर्नल एक्टिविटीज, आपकी रूटीन्स, और थर्ड पॉइंट पे आप उसमें अपना पर्पस व्हाई टू राइट कि आप ये लेटर क्यों लिख रहे हैं. पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 जो है इसमें अपनी नेसेसिटी, अपनी अर्जेंसी यानी रीजंस कि किस मकसद के तहत ये वजूहात आपकी हैं कि आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं। पैराग्राफ नंबर 3 में आप सम अप करते हैं with expression of gratitude and greetings. At the end of the letter, this portion is called signature. लेकिन सिग्नेचर हम करते नहीं हैं, नाम हम लिखते नहीं हैं, फॉर्मल राइटिंग है। फॉर्मली हम yours truly, yours sincerely, yours affectionately, yours faithfully वगैरह वगैरह लिखते हैं और X, Y, Z लिखते हैं एब्रीवेटेड। एंड यू नो एब्रीवेशन में डॉट्स का इस्तेमाल होता है, X, Y, Z को हम लिखते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू बी वेरी वेरी कोहेरेंट, ट्राई टू बी अ वेरी वेरी कोहेरेंट। आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव और इंप्रेसिव होनी चाहिए, वो अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग होनी चाहिए। आप कोशिश करें कि जब डेट और प्लेस लिख रहे हों तो जरूर है कि आप इसको मुतवाजन लिखें, और जब आप नीचे सिग्नेचर लिख रहे हों तो वो भी बिल्कुल इसके नीचे आए। 3 पैराग्राफ्स जब स्टार्ट करें तो पैराग्राफ्स में इंडेंटेशन का ख्याल रखें। इंडेंटेशन क्या है? वो एक छोटी सी स्पेस जो कि हर पैराग्राफ के शुरू में होती है, उसे इंडेंटेशन कहते हैं। इंडेंटेशन इंडिकेट्स दैट योर पैराग्राफ इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर। सो आपने प्रेजेंटेशन का, मार्जिन्स का, बाउंड्रीज का बड़ा ख्याल रखना है, and this is your ultimate need to produce a letter. So pattern और उसका content both are equally important. दोनों को आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपके पैटर्न के मैं बता चुका हूं 4 नंबर और आपके कंटेंट के 6 नंबर हैं, टोटल मिला के 10 नंबर बनते हैं। सो एक बात और कि योर्स ट्रूली लिखते हुए कॉमा लगाना है, योर्स सिंसियरली लिखते हुए कॉमा लगाना है, योर्स का वाई कैपिटलाइज हो रहा है, टी कैपिटलाइज नहीं हो रहा, सिंसियरली हो, फेथफुली हो, कुछ भी आए यहां कैपिटलाइजेशन नहीं करनी। और एक गलती जो स्टूडेंट्स बारहा करते हैं वो है कि वो योर्स के ऊपर अपोस्ट्रोफी डाल देते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है। आपके पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स की गलती आपके मार्क्स के डिडक्शन का कॉज बन सकती है। सो माइंड इट कि आपने पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स जो है एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न में लगाने हैं और बॉडी कंटेंट को भी आपने हैंडसमली प्रोड्यूस करना है। सो दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न and the body scheme work, how to produce a handsome letter. And now we are going to discuss our 2 prescribed letters from our syllabus. So we are moving to the next board. Dear students, our first letter is letter number 1. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for a gift. The text is on the whiteboard. Let's read it out. I hope this letter will find you in the best of health. I'm fine and really thankful for the gift of a cell phone that you have sent me on my result. I have been given a lot of gifts, but your choice of the gift is the most appropriate one. Dear students, appropriate means mauzu, munasib, suitable. The first division was pleasant enough, but your gift of a mobile set added to my happiness. Happiness? खुशी, added to, बढ़ा दिया है, increased. As you know, there is no college in my town and I am planning to take admission in another city where I have to reside in the hostel. Reside, live, रहना. So having a cell phone will be highly useful for me. Useful, beneficial, फायदामंद, मुफीद. I never thought of having a cellular phone in my hometown as I always found it a luxury. Luxury, आसाइश, आरामदेह चीज, लुत्फ अंदोज होने वाली चीज. But now it is more of a necessity, especially when one is away from home. Away, दूर. With the help of it, I can stay in the close contact with my family. Thanks again for this valuable gift. Valuable, कीमती, अनमोल, प्यारा. I missed your presence in the party arranged by my parents to celebrate my result, but I have saved all the precious moments, precious, कीमती, नायाब, in my cell phone. God willing, खुदा ने चाहा. God willing, before joining the college, I will personally come to see you and seek your prayers. I also miss enjoying the innocent conversation of my cousins. I'm really grateful. Pay my regards to auntie and love to kids. Yours affectionate nephew, XYZ. Dear students, now we are moving to another board where we will discuss our second letter. Dear students, our second letter, letter number 2, write a letter to your friend asking him or her to lend you his or her camera. So, the text is on whiteboard. Let's read out the text. Dear Sophia, यहाँ पे गौर करें कि दोस्त का नाम डायरेक्टली लिया गया है. Dear Sophia, Dear Asim, etc. लेकिन वहाँ पे My dear uncle लिखा है. So, friends को informally आप नाम से भी बुला सकते हैं, एड्रेस कर सकते हैं. So, dear Sophia, I'm all right here and I hope the same for you. Life has become very busy yet exciting. Exciting means purjosh, purlutf. Our college is taking us to the northern areas. Taking, ले जा रहा है. And everybody is thrilled in preparing for it. Thrilled, excited, पुरजोश, जोश से भरा हुआ है. The visit is intended to be of 1 week. Intended, planned, decided. तय किया गया है, फैसला किया गया है. It was my dream to go to those places and enjoy the natural scene. I remember that you brought your Nikon camera in your last visit and it produced excellent results. Would you please lend it to me for a week? I have a camera phone, but it is no substitute for a real camera. Substitute, replacement, mutbadil. I want my trip to be a memorable, yadgar. I want my trip to be a memorable one and your camera can be of great help. Since living in the hostel, buying a Nikon camera would be a mere luxury. Luxury? Ayashi. Asayish. Costly thing. Quite out of my league. League, excess. Pahunch, rasai, affordability. If you can lend it, give it to your neighbor Sadia, because she is coming to meet me next week. I promise I shall return it as soon as we are back. I will be really grateful for this generous favor. Generous? Sakawat bhari, dariya dili wali. Pay my regards to uncle and auntie and love to kids. Yours truly, XYZ. So dear students, in this lecture, we have discussed how to write a letter and our 2 prescribed letters from our syllabus. Inshallah, in our coming lecture, we will be discussing how to write an application, because letter writing or application writing is an optional question. So thank you so much. Keep it up.